Today's the last day for foiling. Can I get a hallelujah? Medea, what's up? We got a lot of wins to get through today and only 3 minutes to do it. So let's dive in. Win number 1. You should be so proud of me because I waited the entire 24-hour window between painting these pieces and baking them in the oven. Grizzly following directions? What? Swear nothing happened. Joe Dirt, what's up? It basically just came down to me filling the time in with foiling non-painted pieces, but that's still a win in my book. Win number 2. Shout out to Coffee Mermaid for showing me there are smarter ways to hold small pieces of glass when razor blades are involved. And win number 3. Razors are an awesome cheat code for cleaning up your paint lines to make them look more professional and less Parkinson's. You know what I'm talking about. The more I focus on having steady hands while painting, the worse my micro tremors become, so huge win for being able to clean up those lines. And now it's time to give a shout out to Nicole for her concern about the foil covering the paint that runs along the edge of these pieces. We're ramping the mullet method up to 11 for the black stained glass pieces, giving the maximum amount of foil to the backside, while having just the smallest amount possible of foil on the front. Since we also learned the undercut method on this project, let's give a shout out to this bad boy, which gets the name because we trim off one side of the foil before applying it to the glass. I went with this method for the transparent painted pieces, so I wouldn't have to trim excess foil off the backside. The reason it matters here and not on the black pieces is light shining through transparent glass can cause a shadow effect if there's more foil on the back versus the front. It's either got to be balanced or more foil on the front to prevent that shadow effect. Thank you so much for watching and being here with me through the Duck Stamp project. Be sure to tap the follow button here, or here. Aladdin, what's up? Because tomorrow we should be ready for the final fitting and taping. This project is gonna look so good.